Alright, so the Galaxy S20 series just received a big update to its camera in the Pro Video mode. It inherited a lot of features that the Galaxy Note 20 introduced. Let's show you over here in the More category. We'll then switch to Pro Video. And I'm going to be holding my phone in landscape because I'm not a savage. And we've got the same old features over here, exposure control and everything, but now we have a microphone icon at the very bottom. And the microphone is going to allow you to choose which microphone you're using to record. So you can use the rear, front, and omnidirectional. You can also connect a USB microphone or a Bluetooth. The Bluetooth can be used with things like the Galaxy Buds, as well as just generic Bluetooth headsets, which is pretty neat. We've now got some more options for the Pro Video size. I'm using right now the 21:9, which has been added. You can change the resolution in there. There's lots of different resolutions to choose from. You can also scale it down to the Full HD 1920 by 824 at 120 frames per second with playback at 120 frames per second. So it's incredibly smooth, almost too fast motion, but it is basically very good for playing back on 120 Hertz phones and computer monitors. Another great thing that I've noticed since the update is that they have made some enhancements to the autofocus system. So autofocus is now a little bit quicker to start focusing, but also a little bit smoother of a transition between the two. It doesn't seem to hunt for subjects as much or jump in and out so violently anymore, which is a great update there. Do 21:9 8K. And they seem to have made a few improvements to the 8K resolution where you don't quite get as much of the rolling shutter effect. It is a little bit more noticeably, oddly enough, in the 16:9 aspect ratio. It's still relatively noticeable, but here in the 21:9 it doesn't seem to be quite as bad. Let's stick this into sport mode, and that's enough motion sickness for today. We've also got now a zoom control, and the zoom control is enhanced with a slider that can be adjusted. So if you want to zoom in slowly, zoom out slowly, you can also drag to zoom faster, zoom slower. Very nice for smooth recording of videos. You can go as slow as you really want to on that one, almost down to a crawl. And that, I think, is going to do it for the enhancements to the camera that I've found so far. If you see any else, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.